with polynomials. Number 1, find this polynomial divided by x plus 3 using long division. Okay, using long division, 2x cubed plus 5x squared plus 9. So this is no x, 0x power 1. So write down 0x plus 9. So it's easy for you to find the quotient. Okay, this is x cubed, x squared, x power 1 and constant. The divisor is x plus 3. Okay, first step, we want something, this one is x. Okay, 2x cubed. So x times something is equal to 2x cubed. Something is 2x squared. X times 2x squared is equal to 2x cubed. 3 times 2x squared is equal to 6x squared. Okay, then minus this term, 2x cubed minus 2x cubed, 0. 5x squared minus 6x squared, negative x squared. Then the next step is bring this one down. Okay, plus 0x. Okay, we want negative x squared. Okay, means that x times negative x and get negative x squared. Okay. Okay, so 3 times negative x get negative 3x. Okay, minus negative x squared minus minus, so positive. So 0x minus minus, so positive 3x. And then the next step is bring positive 9 down. Okay, so we want 3x. Okay, multiply x by 3, so get 3x, and multiply 3 with the 3, get 9, and minus 3x minus 3x, 0, 9 minus 9, 0. So now the remainder is 0. Remainder is 0, and then this is quotient. Okay, quotient. And this is divisor. So now find this one, means that we want the result. Okay, the answer is 2x squared. 2x squared minus x plus 3. 2x squared minus x plus 3. So answer is this one. Okay, settle for number 1. For number 2, what is the remainder if x squared plus 3x plus 7 divided by x plus 2? X plus 2. So, x plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to negative 2. Substitute. Let this one is equal to px. So, substitute x. Negative 2 all. Then 4 minus 6 plus 7. We're going to use the remainder theorem to find the remainder. Okay, so answer is 5. Okay, besides using the remainder theorem, you still can use long division. Okay, long division to find the remainder. But for you, better using remainder theorem instead of using long division. Okay, so answer is 5. Settle for number 2. Number 3. Okay, px. Px was x cubed plus 1. Find p of negative 2x. Of negative 2x. So now this one x. Now this is the same variable. The variable is equal to negative 2x. Negative 2x. Negative 2x. So negative 2x cubed, okay, negative 2x cubed, x cubed plus 1. Is equal to negative 8x cubed plus 1. So the answer is negative 8x cubed plus 1. Okay, so for number 3. For number 4, is x minus 2 is a factor of this polynomial. Okay, factor means that if you substitute, okay, x minus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to 2, substitute 2 inside this polynomial, so the answer suppose 0. And the answer is equal to 0, we can conclude that x minus 2 is a factor for this polynomial. So Px is equal to x cubed minus 8x squared plus 14x minus 4. Then substitute this one by 2. Substitute P of 2. 2 cubed minus 8. 2 squared plus 14, 2 minus 4, and 8 minus 32 plus 28 minus 4, and you can use calculator to find this again, and the answer is 36 minus 36 is equal to 0. So answer is yes. Therefore x minus 2 is a factor of x. Answer is yes. The remainder is this is remainder. Remainder is equal to 0. The answer is yes. X minus 2 is a factor. The remainder is 0. This one yes. X minus 2 is a factor. There is a remainder. So this is more perfect. Okay. Number 5. Write the polynomial with the given zeros. Okay, so you have 1, 2, 3 zeros. So the polynomial is negative 3, 1, negative 2 is a zeros. So x is equal to negative 3, x equals 1, x equals negative 2. Root. So x plus 3 is equal to 0, or okay, continue. X minus 1 is equal to 0, x plus 2 is equal to 0, or we can say that x plus 3, x minus 1, x plus 2 factor, linear factor for the this polynomial. So we're going to find the polynomial. So let the polynomial is Px. So x plus 3, one of the linear factor, x minus 1, second one, and the third one is x plus 2. Okay, you want to find in general form. Okay, let's say expand this one first. Okay, expand one by one. Okay, x squared minus x plus 3x minus 3. Okay, times x plus 2. Simplify. X squared plus 2x minus 3. X plus 2. Then the next step. Okay. Multiply x cubed. Okay, plus 2x squared. Plus 2x squared, okay, plus 4x, okay, number, okay, negative 3 times x, negative 3x, negative 3 times 2, negative 6. Simplify. X cubed plus 4x squared plus x minus 6. X cubed plus 4x squared. Okay. So plus x minus 6. Okay, the answer is only this one. Okay, settle for number 5. Number 6. If a plus bi is a root of the polynomial, then something is also a root. Okay, so example, given that x squared plus 9 is equal to 0. If we're going to find x squared is equal to negative 9, x is equal to plus minus, okay, square root of negative 9. So plus minus square root of 9 times negative 1 is 1. So set negative 1 is equal to I. Okay, this one is equal to I. Set negative 1 equals I. Then the next step, okay, plus minus 3I. So x is equal to 3I, or x is equal to negative 3I for this one x. Or we can say that x equals 0 plus 3I. This one x equals 0 minus 3I. This one, between the two roots, consider, okay, this one flat plus, one minus, consider conjugate. Okay, so if a plus bi, one of the root of polynomial, the other one is confirm a minus bi. The answer is a minus bi. Okay. Number 7, factor completely. Okay, 4x squared y minus 4 minus 12xy plus 5y. As you can see here, this is y. Okay, so take y as a factor outside, and get 4x squared minus 12x plus 5. Now we need to factorize this quadratic. Okay, and this one is equal to 2x 5 1 negative. So negative 1 times negative 5 Okay, 2 times 5 negative 10. 1 times 2x negative 2x. So plus you can get negative 12x. So check the answer. This one is the answer. As you know, y 2x minus 5 2x minus 1. Okay, this one. Okay, answer is this part. Number 8, what is the factor form of this one? Okay, so 5n cubed minus 10n squared plus 3n minus 6. Let this one is equal to px. So we're going to factorize this polynomial. Okay, before you try an error, check the constant. So you can find, take a clue, constant is 6, and then you substitute plus minus 1 or plus minus 2 or plus minus 3 factor for the action, or plus minus 6. Try an error. Let's say you substitute p of negative 1. Okay, 5 this one negative. Okay, negative 1 negative 5 1 negative 10. Okay, negative 1, so negative 3 minus 6. So this one all negative. Confirm this one is equal to 0. Negative 1 is not the what we call 0 for this polynomial. Okay, then substitute, try 1. x is equal to n is equal to 1. Substitute 5 minus 10 plus 3 minus 6. So this one is, I think it's not equal to 0. Still not equals to 0. So conclude 1 is not a 0 for this on x. Minus 1 is not a factor for this polynomial. Okay, next step. Try p of negative 2 or p of 2. Okay, positive. Right. 2 cube 8 40. 4 negative 40. 2 times 3 6 minus 6 0 0 is equal to 0. Then conclude x minus 2 is a linear vector for x of x. So we get one of a linear vector and done. Settle. And the next step, okay, this is considered PS, right? 5n cube minus 10n squared plus 3n minus 6. One of the linear vector is x minus 2. Sorry, this is not x. Okay, this one is considered n. N minus 2 is a linear vector for x. Pn. Okay, so Pn is variable n. So n minus 2. Okay, this one is considered quadratic. So the general form is 8. I always use n. Okay, an squared plus bn plus c. Okay. And then compare the coefficient. Let's say n cube. Okay, this one n cube is 5, and this one is a n cube. Okay, so on the left hand side 5, on the right hand side is a. So therefore a is equal to 5. Settle. Okay, next step compare constant. Okay, constant is this one, constant, or the last, this one times this. Okay, so answer is negative 6. Negative 2 times c, so negative 2c, therefore c is equal to 3. Okay, so the next is compare n squared. N squared is negative 10. Okay, so n squared n minus this one, so that b, and the other one is negative 2 times a. Okay, negative 2a. Okay, so b is equal to 2a minus 10, or a is equal to 5, 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, double check. Okay, try n power 1. This one 3. Okay, this one n times c. This one is negative 2 times b, so negative 2b, and 2b is equal to c minus 3. C is equal to 3. 3 minus 3 0, therefore b is equal to 0. So b is equal to 0. We substitute in the polynomial n minus 2. A is equal to 5 n squared, b0, b0, so 0n plus c is equal to 3 plus 3. Okay, so check answer. Okay, the answer is this one, right? Alright. So answer is n minus 2 times 5n squared plus 3. N minus n 5n squared plus 3 n minus 2. I think this one. Okay, the answer is 1. number 9, factor completely. Okay, let's say Px is equal to x power 4 minus 81. Okay, so this one using concept a squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b, a plus b. Now a is equal to this one. Okay, a is equal to x squared. This one is equal to 9. 9. This one is equal to 9. So you have to bracket here x squared. Okay, minus 9 plus 9. Expand and get the same one, and this is x power 4 minus 81. So this one, okay, x squared minus 9. Okay, you can proceed and factorize separately because this one procedure not complete. Okay, in the form of factorize. So this one is in the form x minus 3 x plus 3. That one is x squared plus 9. And this one cannot be factorized unless you get complex number. So x minus 3 x plus 3 x squared plus 9. So this one is the answer. So number 10, find all the zeros for the polynomial qx. X power 4 plus 8 x squared minus 9. Find all the zeros. Okay, same as the previous. Okay, the recent question. You need to do plus substitute to find the first 0. Okay, and using this one the constant. Okay, and then you can take either plus minus 1, plus minus 3, or plus minus 9. Okay, try to choose this one. Substitute. Let's say you substitute 1. Okay, 1 plus 8 minus 9. This one is equal to 0. So now you get this one is equal to 0. Try another one, negative 1. It is 1. 1. X negative 1 squared 1 minus 9 is equal. So what we can conclude is, okay, 1 and negative 1 zeros for this polynomial. This is the power of 4. Means that we're going to find another 2 zeros. Okay, try factorize. Qx equals x power 4 plus 8x squared minus 9, and then linear factor. This is linear factor. Consider x minus 1. This one x plus 1. So x minus 1, x plus 1, two linear factors. We need to find this one. Power 4 means that the next is quadratic, in quadratic form. Because of to get x to the power of 4, the degree. So expand this one, x squared minus 1 times ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, so now next we're going to find value a, b, c. Okay, try to find coefficient of x to the power of 4. Okay, this one. Okay, and then this one times this. Okay, so on the left hand side 1, coefficient 1, and x squared times ax squared get a. So therefore a is equal to 1. So the next is find a constant. Constant here is negative 9. Then here constant is negative 1 times c. Negative c. Therefore c is equal to 9. Okay, let's say we're going to find this one, x squared. So 8. So now check what to produce. X squared times c. So that's c. Negative 1 times a plus, no, this one is negative A. Oh, we're going to find B, right? So this one not working. Okay, between C and A, this is A and C, not working. So try to find coefficient of x power 1. Here is no x power 1, so or no something coefficient of x, then say 0. So check this is x squared. Okay, through everything get x squared onwards. Okay, let's take this one, negative 1. Okay, negative 1 times this one. Okay, so negative B. Therefore, B is equal to 0. Okay, so x power 4 constant, x power 3, x power 2, okay, x power 1. And you can do double checking, double check. X power 3. Here also no x power 3, that's the 0. And so now x squared times x squared, bx power 3. So next one times this x squared, x. So just one only. Okay, so now b is equal to 0. Okay, next consider continue. X squared minus 1, a is equal to 1, so x squared, b 0, c 9, so plus 9. Okay, this one actually can be factorized. Okay, then this one cannot be factorized actually. But we're going to find the zeros. And the zero of the polynomial. Okay, substitute. Here is confirm 1 and negative 1. Zeros 1 and negative 1. The problem is here. Okay, so now x squared plus 9 is equal to 0. X squared is equal to negative 9. X is equal to plus minus square root of negative 9. Okay, and then plus minus set 9 times set negative 1, or plus minus 3i. Yeah, this one 3i, this one is I. Yeah. Okay, then now, okay, the zeros, x equals negative 3i, x equals 3i. So the zeros for this polynomial power 4, 1, 2. Then actually the zeros is, you need to write this form, not this form. Cancel this one. Okay, 0 only, negative 3i and 3i. So just list down. Negative 1, 1, negative 3i, and 3i. So all zeros for the polynomial. As you can see, this is that one. Okay, check. Like 1, 1, 3i, or this one cannot. Positive, positive. So not I. So also not I. Okay, and then this only the answer. Okay, done for the quiz.